3, 2, 1, go. Hey guys, my name's Cam, and today we're going to teach you how to change and upgrade the rear license plate lights on a R35 GTR. Now this specific GTR is a 2016, but like I said, as long as it's an R35, so 2009 to 2020, 2021, this is all going to work. Now standard, all these GTRs came with yellow halogen rear license plate lights. But today we're going to upgrade them to these cool white Sylvania LEDs. The universal bulb size was 168. I just picked these up from my local AutoZone for like 16 bucks, I think. And the process is really simple, so let's get into it.
Good.
All right, guys, so we're underneath here looking at the lights, and I just wanted to let you guys know, with the R35, it's kind of weird. It's not a symmetrical design. There's clips that you want to push in and press. Like a little tab. It's right there. Can they see it? At the tip of my finger. You want to push into that. Yeah, push into that and swing it down and it'll pop off. And it's the same for this side. The tab is always on the right side on both lights. It's not symmetrical where like it's on the inside here and it's on the inside here. No matter what, both lights have it on the right side. Just go ahead, press in and swing the lights out. I'll show you real quick. Just like that. Okay, here's the tab. You can get a better look. You want to push it and then swing it around like this inside. So here's our light. To take it out, you just want to twist it like that and then it'll come out, and there's our light. Okay, now you know what, let me go get some gloves for this. I'll be right back. All right, and I'm back. I put on gloves. Basically, whenever you're dealing with any type of bulb, a headlight bulb, a license plate bulb, any bulb for any car, you don't want to touch it with your bare hands. That's because our bare hands have natural oils on them that get on this bulb, and when the bulb gets really hot, right, it burns that oil that's left on that bulb, and it makes the bulbs wear out a lot faster. So when you're doing this, if you want to be really OCD like I am, go ahead and put on some gloves. Also with these bulbs, the circuit will only work one way. So if you plug it in, like you can tell it's just flat, right? If you plug it in the incorrect way and it doesn't light up, all you have to do is unplug it, twist it around and put it in, and it'll light up. Okay, now with all that being said, all you do to remove this bulb, let's try to get it good for the camera, is you grab onto it and you pull it out just like that. That's it. That's all you do. And likewise, when putting it back in, we just want to grab the bulb and slide it back in. Oh, these ones I forgot. These are always really tight to put back in. Oh no, it wasn't that bad. Okay, now let me start the car real quick and see if it worked or if we have to readjust it. All right, I just turned the lights on the car and you can see that the bulb is not lighting up. This is actually really good, so I can show you guys. So like I said, if this happens, all you want to do is take the bulb out, just like we put it in, just wiggle it out, twist it around, and there you go. It lights up just like that, right? Perfect. And now putting it back together, it's got these two little plastic hooks here, lines, right? Guide, I don't know, guide pins, everybody calls it something different, and it lines up with these back here. Go ahead, line it up and twist it to lock, and that's it. And now when you're putting it back in, put this side in first and this side in last. It'll just snap in. So just carefully, they don't need to see it, to be honest. There you go, perfect. Here, swing around underneath, you can see the difference. Show them the difference. Look cool? Yeah? All right, and we can just do the other side real quick. It's the same thing. Like I said, the tab is on the right side for both lights. Squeeze it, swing it down, okay? Twist this to unlock it. There's your bulb. Grab the bulb. Holy shit. All right, well, burn my finger. The light's only been on for 1 minute, so if you're doing this yourself, I guess don't touch the light, even if it's only been on for 1 minute, because it gets super hot. And probably gonna blister up my fingers, but same as the other side. Grab it, okay, pull it out, beautiful. Put it down, grab your LED, Okay. Grab the LED, push the LED inside. Like that. Now let me go turn on the light, see if it works. Is it on? Awesome. Alrighty guys, so that light is on. Again, line up the pins, twist it till it clicks. Push this side in first, then the clip side. Alright. What is going on there? There you go. And just push it in lightly. There you go. None of this should be done by force. Like the previous owner that owned this car, I guess, was trying to do this, and then I don't know if it was a previous owner or a different shop. They tried doing it and they put it in incorrectly. This light was sticking out halfway because they had it the wrong way. Everything should snap in really nice and easy, okay? It's all like, you know, fitted correctly and nice, and you shouldn't have to, you know, manhandle anything. And also, if anybody wants genuine R35 halogen license plate bulbs, comment below. Send them to you. Okay, that was it. I hope you guys found this video entertaining, and I hope it helped you. And I'll see you guys next video.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now.